Have you ever wondered why pros wrap up jobs so much quicker than the rest of us? It's not always about owning better equipment. More often, it comes down to knowing precisely which blade fits which situation. In this video, we're showing you 17 multi-tool blades that seem almost unfair thanks to their purpose-built designs, remarkable toughness, and top-tier cutting ability. Once you watch what they can pull off, standard blades will never look the same to you again. Let's dive in.
Once you've felt the Starlock connection, the next thing people usually want is a blade tough enough for heavy daily use without wearing out fast. That's where Fine Starlock blade shines. Fine practically invented the oscillating multi-tool system, and this blade is purpose-built for Starlock-compatible tools with professional-grade performance in mind. The benefit goes beyond raw speed. It's about consistency. Whether you're trimming door casings, cutting drywall openings, working on flooring, or making plunge cuts in wood, this blade is built to hold a secure fit and deliver predictable control. That's a big deal for contractors putting in hours with an oscillating tool. Instead of battling vibration or constant accessory changes, the tool feels more steady and more deliberate. For detailed renovation work where precision counts, a solid Starlock blade can make the whole tool feel smoother from the first cut to the last.
Not every tough job involves cutting. Sometimes the real struggle is scraping off old caulk, adhesive, paint, flooring glue, or stubborn residue. The XX-Go multi-tool scraper blades turn an oscillating tool into a scraper, which is usually much faster and less exhausting than working a manual putty knife by hand. This is the kind of accessory people don't realize they need until they've used it. Stripping vinyl flooring adhesive, scraping window caulk, lifting old paint, cleaning grout residue, or removing sealant from tubs and sinks all get noticeably easier. The oscillating motion helps loosen material while cutting down on the manual force required. For renovation projects, that translates to less wrist fatigue and a cleaner surface before new materials go in. After a run of cutting-focused products, this scraper blade completely shifts the tool's role, turning it from a saw into a genuinely effective surface prep machine that can save serious time before the next phase of the project. Wood and metal are one challenge, but grout, mortar, and thinset are an entirely different beast. Standard teeth wear down fast against abrasive materials, which is exactly why the XX-Go diamond carbide blades exist. Rather than traditional saw teeth, these blades use diamond grid built for removing grout and tackling masonry-related work. They also fit a wide variety of popular oscillating tools, making them an easy addition to any existing kit. Their biggest strength is controlled material removal. When you're swapping out cracked tiles or repressing old ground lines, the blade clears worn material without chewing up the surrounding tile. They're also great for cleaning thinset, shaping mortar, and working around brick or concrete during repairs. Instead of forcing a standard blade to do a job it was never built for, these diamond blades make tough surface prep work cleaner, faster, and far more precise. Not every project wraps up once the cutting stops. Most jobs still need smoothing, sanding, or surface prep before paint, stain, or new flooring can go down. The 2-bluey oscillating tool sanding pad turns your multi-tool into a compact detail sander, letting it reach corners and tight spots that bigger sanders usually miss. The hook and loop backing makes swapping sanding sheets fast, so you can move through different grit without slowing the job down. This comes in especially handy when restoring furniture, refinishing trim, smoothing wood filler, or cleaning up rough drywall patches before painting. The further a project moves into demolition, the more likely you are to run into hidden screws and stubborn nails. That's where the Spyder titanium oscillating tool blade proves its worth. With titanium-coated cutting edge, it's built to boost wear resistance while handling wood, metal, plastic, and other common construction materials. The universal mount also lets it work across many major oscillating tool brands, which is convenient if you already own a mixed collection. The biggest upside is staying consistent under tough conditions.
Instead of dulling after a few unexpected brushes with metal, the blade is built to keep cutting through the mixed materials commonly hiding inside walls, flooring, and framing. That makes it a strong pick for remodeling and plumbing access work. Rather than treating hidden fasteners as project stoppers, this blade helps keep things moving from the first plunge cut through final cleanup. After going through several specialty blades, sometimes the smartest move is simply having the right blade on hand for nearly every situation. The Dremel Multimax oscillating tool blades come as a versatile assortment built for cutting wood, plastic, and other everyday materials. Different blade widths and tooth patterns let you match the accessory to the task instead of forcing a single blade to handle everything. Universal compatibility means they fit most major oscillating tool brands without extra hardware. Whether you're trimming laminate flooring, cutting drywall openings, slicing PVC pipe, or handling small household repairs, there's usually a blade ready to go. For homeowners, hobbyists, and even professionals who face different materials throughout the day, a full blade assortment cuts down on downtime and keeps projects rolling without constantly buying individual replacements. As projects get more demanding, blade durability starts to matter just as much as cutting speed. The DEM-cut bimetal oscillating saw blades are built for people who regularly work with both wood and metal. Their bimetal construction balances toughness with flexibility, letting the blades handle wood, plastic, drywall, copper pipe, and nail-embedded lumber without wearing down as fast as standard high-carbon steel blades. The universal mounting system also makes them compatible with most major oscillating multi-tools, so setup is quick and simple. On real projects, that variety means you can go from trimming door casings to cutting PVC pipe or opening up drywall without breaking your workflow. The assortment gives you real flexibility while cutting down on how often you need to buy extra blades for a different task. Run a standard blade through a tough job once, and you'll quickly learn that heat and wear are your real enemies. The Keelan titanium oscillating tool blades feature a titanium coating meant to boost durability and performance on demanding materials. They're built for wood, metal, nails, and other typical remodeling materials, while still fitting a broad range of oscillating tools. The real payoff here is longevity. When you're slicing through hardwood, screws, or a mix of materials, regular blades can dull surprisingly quickly. Titanium-coated blades help the edge hold up longer, meaning fewer swaps and steadier cuts. That matters a lot during flooring jobs, cabinet installs, plumbing access cuts, or demolition, where the material changes every few minutes. Once you've tried a general-purpose set, moving up to a tougher titanium blade feels like a genuine upgrade for your multi-tool. If your blades give out long before the project is done, the Easy Arc 7-piece oscillating saw blade set is worth a look. This bundle covers several blade styles, built for wood, metal, nails, plastic, drywall, and general remodeling, so there's no need to bounce between separate toolkits. The blades share a universal oscillating tool fitting, so they'll work with most popular multi-tools. What makes this set feel like a shortcut is sheer convenience. Rather than pausing to hunt down the correct blade for every material, you'll already have one ready for nearly any common task. Cutting through door jambs, trimming PVC, tearing out damaged drywall, or slicing wood loaded with nails becomes far less of a headache. For both DIYers and contractors, it's the kind of set that earns a permanent spot in the toolbox.
Sometimes the issue isn't the blade at all, it's the link between the blade and the tool. The Bosch Starlock oscillating multi-tool blade relies on the Starlock mounting system, engineered for a tighter fit and more efficient power transfer than many traditional universal mounts offer. Bosch's Starlock line is built specifically for Starlock-compatible oscillating tools, and that snug connection matters more than most people realize. Less wobble means more control, especially on precise cuts through trim, flooring, drywall, or cabinetry. The blade responds more directly to the tool's power, which helps a lot during plunge cuts or working cramped corners. If you've ever felt a blade go loose or unsteady mid-cut, the Starlock system is designed to fix that. Switching from universal blades to a dedicated Starlock setup often feels less like swapping an accessory and more like upgrading the whole cutting experience.
Hard materials are usually where oscillating blades start to fail. Hardened screws, nails, metal brackets, and dense wood can dull an ordinary blade fast. The E-Cut titanium oscillating tool blades are made for exactly these tougher jobs, with titanium-coated edges designed for demanding surfaces like nail-filled wood, metal, and other stubborn materials. What sets these blades apart is how well they handle the jobs that typically chew through accessories. During renovation, you rarely cut clean wood alone. You run into hidden fasteners, mixed materials, and surprise obstacles. A more durable blade means fewer stoppages and less frustration when the cut suddenly hits metal. These blades are especially handy for demolition, subfloor repairs, door frame trimming, plumbing access cuts, and renovation jobs where materials keep changing. Instead of treating blades as throwaway items, the goal here is efficient, uninterrupted cutting. After covering scraper and specialty blades, it's worth circling back to everyday cutting. The Veer bimetal oscillating saw blades are made for anyone who constantly bounces between wood, plastic, drywall, and metal during renovation work. Their bimetal build blends flexibility with toughness, keeping the blade effective across mixed materials. The universal fitting also works with most major oscillating tools, so there's no need to hunt for adapters. What really makes these blades stand out is their versatility. Instead of swapping accessories every few minutes, you can handle trim work, PVC pipe, copper tubing, drywall openings, and wood with the occasional nail using the same blade. That keeps the project flowing without needless interruptions. Whether you're remodeling a room, fixing damaged flooring, or installing cabinets, these blades strike a solid balance between cutting speed and blade life, making them a smart pick for DIYers and professionals alike. Some jobs call for even more durability than titanium can offer, especially once hardened materials enter the picture. The Spider Carbide oscillating saw blades feature carbide cutting edges, making them a fit for applications that quickly wreck standard bimetal blades. They're built for cutting hardwood, screws, nails, and other abrasive materials, while still working with many popular oscillating multi-tools. What sets carbide apart from ordinary blades is its ability to stay sharp through repeated heavy-duty use. That's a real advantage when renovating older homes, where hidden fasteners, dense lumber, and reinforced materials tend to show up unannounced. Instead of constantly replacing worn-out blades, you can keep making controlled plunge cuts and flush cuts with fewer breaks. Whether you're tearing out old framing, adjusting door openings, or tackling difficult demolition, these carbide blades let the oscillating tool perform confidently right where ordinary accessories tend to give out.
By now, you've seen blades built for specific materials, but sometimes the smarter buy is a kit that mixes durability with variety. That's exactly what the AMZ BSAW titanium oscillating saw blades deliver. The set includes multiple titanium-coated blades in different sizes, built for cutting wood, plastic, soft metal, and nail-embedded wood. The titanium coating boosts hardness and wear resistance, while the universal quick-release design fits most major oscillating tool brands. Different tooth patterns also let you pick the right blade for rough cuts or more controlled work. That versatility really pays off during home renovations, where every room brings different materials into play. Instead of carrying separate blade packs, one kit covers flooring, drywall, trim, PVC, and light metal cutting. Fewer blade swaps and longer service life keep projects moving, making this set a smart choice for weekend DIYers and professionals handling bigger remodeling jobs alike.
Big renovation projects rarely stick to one material, and buying individual replacement blades over and over gets expensive fast. The AthiCut 26-piece oscillating saw blades are built as a full kit, covering wood, plastic, soft metal, and general remodeling tasks in a single package. The blades are made from high-carbon steel and stainless steel in different shapes and sizes to suit various cutting jobs. Built-in inch and millimeter markings help improve precision during plunge cuts, and the universal quick-release fitting works with many popular oscillating tools.
The biggest advantage is always having the right blade on hand when the material changes. Instead of forcing one blade through every job, you just switch to the fitting style and keep working. This assortment offers excellent versatility, making it a great starter kit for homeowners and a dependable backup set for professionals. One of the most frustrating parts of renovation work is stopping because the blade you're holding isn't right for the next material. The Greenox oscillating tool blades fix that with a complete assortment built for everyday cutting tasks. The kit covers wood, plastic, drywall, and light metal, with several widths and tooth styles for different applications. Built-in measurement markings also make plunge cuts easier to control, improving accuracy without reaching for a tape measure every time. The universal fitting works with most popular oscillating multi-tools, so setup is quick and simple. On real projects, that variety means you can go from trimming door casings to cutting PVC pipe or opening up drywall without breaking your workflow. The assortment gives you real flexibility while cutting down on how often you need to buy extra blades for a different task.
The final product on this list comes down to one simple idea: reaching spots that ordinary blades just can't. The Talisa titanium oscillating saw blades feature an extra long build paired with a titanium-coated cutting edge, making them especially useful for deep plunge cuts and hard-to-reach spots. Built for cutting wood, plastic, drywall, and soft metal, the blades also offer better wear resistance than standard blades while still fitting most major oscillating multi-tools. That extra reach becomes incredibly valuable when working inside wall cavities, under flooring, behind cabinets, or in other tight spaces where a standard blade comes up short. Instead of approaching a cut from several angles, you can often finish it in a single pass. This extended design adds another layer of versatility, making tough cuts easier and helping your oscillating multi-tool handle even the toughest jobs. So which of these multi-tool blades would you grab for your toolbox first? Tell us in the comments, and thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.